Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Secretary, the Government of Federation is here.
Your Excellency, the Vice President.
Monumental loss to you and the nation, Your Excellency. Mr. President, you may recall that this is the third visit of this group to you, or to update you on our activities. During the first visit on December 21st, 2018, we did affirm that we will work and Buhari will win. And we work as promised, and you won. We were also here on July 19, 2019, and we promised to evolve innovative ideas to ensure the success of your administration and declare our readiness to add value to the next level administrations. We initiated Citizen Government Information Flow, CGIF, and Good Governance Summit, GGS, which we directed to be submitted to the SGF. We thank the SGF for its support and seek its kind assistance for advancing this initiative this year. Your Excellency, the compendium of 5-year achievement of President Muhammadu Buhari administration from 2015 to 2020 is the compilation of impactful programs, policies and achievements which commenced on August 2015 when we launched 72 achievements in 72 days of Muhammadu Buhari administrations. Thereafter, we published a compilation of Buhari Oshubanjo achievement 2015 to 2017, which was launched during the MBO Southwest Zonal Office Commission on January 2018. This publication highlights the milestone of your administration in critical sector of the Nigerian economy. It has brought about the revitalization of the rail transport, the pursuit to try the anti-corruption fight with several convictions and monumental recoveries made was achieving institutional transparency and accountability. Your administration is also impacting Nigerians as the stimulus packets like COVID-19 loans for the SMEs Survival Fund, Farmer Money, Trader Money, and Market Money, among other palliative, were made available to cushion the effect of COVID-19 pandemic on individual and corporate organizations. Mr. President, you are breaking record. You are making history, and we are proud to say that despite the challenges confronting us, good things are still happening. Thank you very much, along with Federal Government of Nigeria, along with President Muhammadu Buhari, along with MBO Dynamic Support.
Mr. President, we at the MBO, with over 2 million membership, remain proud of your administration. You have actually shown to Nigerians that sustainability and sustainable approach is key to a greater Nigeria. Mr. President, Vice President, you have actually impacted positively through certain approaches, such as the social investment programs, security, infrastructure, and the economy. A lot of Nigerians have forgotten where we were actually before coming to where we are now. Mr. President, even though there are still challenges, our advice is that you should remain focused, as confirmed by the international community, that our president is focused. You should certainly.
Again in 2019, before the election, after the election, when you won, someone was telling us that the president did not recognize what you did. And we wrote to you that I want to pay you a congratulatory visit. Mr. President, you granted us permission to do so. Again, we came up again. We said, yes, let's try to compile the achievement of this government. Not because we want to spite the handlers of the information of Mr. President, but we want to prove that people on the sideline, they can see better. And because we are seeing better, we're not there in the football field. We are seeing better, we are facing the crowd. We're able to put the pieces together. And somebody was telling us, who is going, how will the president get to know this? And we wrote to you, sir, and you approved this visit. Mr. President, we are so grateful to you. And one thing that has encouraged us is the fact that every day you are getting better. Every day you are getting fresh.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am indeed honored and delighted once again to welcome the Muhammadu Buhari and the Oshubanjo Dynamic Support Group for the official presentation of their book titled A Compendium of 5-Year Achievements of President Muhammadu Buhari's Administration from 2015 to 2020. The birth of this book, from inception to production, is due to unrelenting efforts of the MBO, Dynamic Support Group officers, and over 2 million group of supporters that have continuously stood by our administration in our quest to deliver on our social contract to all Nigerians and ensure the dividends of democracy to our people. I recall your previous visit precisely in December 2018 and July 2019 to the State House, in which your exemplary coordinator, Honorable Usman Ibrahim, and his esteemed team members shared their vision and intention to harmoniously work with our administration to make it a success. The presentation of the book today is a testimony of this cause. I am extremely pleased with the production team and those who traveled across the country monitoring and collating data on our projects to enable us present an evidence-based account of our stewardship. Despite the global challenge of COVID-19 that impeded social, economic activities of the world, including our country, Nigeria, in 2020, you all worked tirelessly with limited resources and by tasking one another to produce this historic book. We recognize and appreciate your drive, skills, creative abilities, and your personal resources invested in this project and immense devotion to produce the book. The MBO Dynamic Support Group officers and team members saw the good in our administration from the time we came in 2015. It is this administration that led to the production, it is this commitment that led to the production of the book. And I sincerely hope and believe that Nigerians will always see and cherish positively in all that this administration has done as it continues to work assiduously to accomplish. I am aware of the challenges you faced in developing this book and acknowledge the requests you have presented today. Rest assured that the Secretary to the Government of the Federation will immediately look into the requests you have presented today and formally submit the necessary recommendations for my consideration and further directives. He will also ensure that you receive the necessary information required in the future from all relevant ministries, departments, and agencies. I thank you once again for your unwavering commitment to this administration and legacy, and look forward to the wide circulation of our achievements perfectly captured in this book to all citizens and those willing to see that we succeed to the end for the benefit of all. Thank you very much.
Let's see the first. Do you have enough?